See me with me. Bitter and sweet, this because it's so orange. You see, it's yellow. It doesn't like the stone. Like it touched them all. I have a couple of them here still. If you notice, on the bitter and sweet, it got some thorns, some heck of a thorns. I don't know if you can see it on it. Yeah, man. Look at the thorns on the limbs. Maca tree, so orange. Not climb me. You see the thorns? Unbelievable. So orange tree, bitter and sweet. Look at the thorns on them. And I'm telling you, it's packed with vitamin C. At least 10 times a regular orange. I use it for all kind of things. From cleaning to drinking. Yeah. Very useful, people. Real maca tree that. Very useful, very, very useful. A real maca tree, may I give you an example of a real maca tree, people. That is a sour orange tree. In Jamaica, we call them bitter sweet. Tea, you see it. So when man say man a maca tree, man bitter. That we mean. Big up yourself, all my generals. Big up all my families and friends. You know it's Rastafari soldier. The Crocus bag farmer. Jamaica's farm in general. Oh, yeah, and I'm here, Cornwall District, Cornwall, P.O. St. Elizabeth. Bigging up my friends and families. All of my uncle youths, them. We in Pepsi, Rye, a Mataran, Liquor Man, right there, Tanny. I big up on them, I say, all of my families, them. Last, big up yourself, and don't forget you, my general. More life, more joy, and more in happiness. Chris, say you're the best. Yeah, big up Brown Dan, big up Doggy Style. I hope the bike will ride good, general. Yeah, man, big up all my brother and my sister, them, up in Florida, Georgia, New York. Yeah, I them place them in there, Jamaica right now. I farm early in the morning. Yeah, that's the way I live. Because in Jamaica, me born. I play love me, I give the people them just farming it up, planting the seed, watch it grow. Because the mission is real. It's organics, it's good eating, healthy living. So eat your food as your medicine, or your medicine will become your food. And more life, more joy. Be good, don't be rude. It's Rastafari soldier. More love. Straight from Jamaica.